एक इंसान आया उसने उसको गोली मार दी।
Since 1999, India has bled as Pakistan terrorist state actors have been on center stage. 1999, while India sought peace, Pakistan unleashed a proxy war in Kargil. Pakistani terrorists joined hands with the Pakistani army and invaded Indian land. 527 Indian soldiers sacrificed their lives to reclaim every inch of India's soil. December 13, 2001, 5 heavily armed Pakistani terrorists stormed India's parliament. 9 martyrs stopped them at the gates. September 24, 2002, Akshardham Temple, Gujarat. 2 Pakistani terrorists opened fire, killing 30 innocent people, injuring over 80, in one of the deadliest attacks on a place of worship. August 25, 2003, twin bomb blasts, Zaveri Bazar and Gateway of India. 52 killed, over 100 injured. The hand of Pakistan-backed terror groups was once again established and clear. October 29, 2005, Delhi's festive spirit shattered. Sarojini Nagar, Paharganj and Govindpuri, 62 dead, 210 injured. The bloody hands of Lashkar-e-Toiba and Jaish modules backed by the Pakistan's ISI. April 2006, bomb blast outside Delhi's Jama Masjid after prayers. July 11, 2006, Mumbai's suburban trains targeted, 209 dead, 700 injured. Pakistan's ISI and Lashkar-e-Toiba orchestrated mass casualties across India's heartlands. July 26, 2008, 21 serial blasts ripped through Ahmedabad. 57 killed, over 200 injured. November 26, 2008, Mumbai burns. 10 Pakistani terrorists, trained, armed by Pakistan's ISI and Lashkar-e-Toiba, supported ably by the enablers in uniform, the Pakistani army, killed 166 people and wounded over 300 in Mumbai. Pakistan terrorism was televised live. Handlers, executors, masterminds, from David Headley to Tawahur Rana, from Hafiz Saeed to captured Kasab, Pakistan's imprints were everywhere. September 7th, 2011, Delhi court bombed. 15 killed, 79 injured. HUJI, supported by Pakistan's ISI, claimed responsibility. July 7th, 2013, Bodh Gaya, 9 serial blasts. Terrorists attacked Buddhism's birthplace of peace. Pakistan-based terror ideology behind the plan. January 2nd, 2016, Pathankot Air Base attacked by Pakistan-based Jaish-e-Mohammed. Brave Indian soldiers martyred. September 18, 2016, Uri Army Base attacked. 19 soldiers from the Indian Armed Forces martyred. Pakistan's Lashkar and Jaish proxies celebrated Indian blood once again. February 14th, 2019, Pulwama. 40 CRPF Jawans martyred in a suicide bombing by Pakistan-backed Jaish-e-Mohammed. This was the last straw. August 5th, 2019. Article 370 scrapped. Jammu and Kashmir fully integrated into India. No special status, no separatist shield, no more safe haven for terrorists. House arrests, crackdown on Pakistan's blood money.
जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के पीएको को आप भारत का हिस्सा नहीं मानते हो क्या? एग्रेसिव ना हो, जान दे देंगे इसके लिए।
अब आर्टिकल 370 और 35A बीते हुए इतिहास की बात हो जाने के बाद उसके नकारात्मक प्रभावों से भी जम्मू कश्मीर जल्द बाहर निकलेगा, इसका मुझे पूरा विश्वास है।
मरकज में कुछ करना पड़ेगा, टेम्परेरी करना पड़ेगा, कहा थोड़ी देर के लिए। एक बार जो सिलसिला और एक अच्छा निज़ाम बन जाए, फिर उस निज़ाम के अंदर में ये तब्दीलियां आएंगी।
अलगाववाद की भावना का मूल, उसका उद्भव स्थान आर्टिकल 370 है, वो जाएगा। अलगाववाद की भावना भी ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम खत्म होगी और आतंकवाद भी खत्म। और कल पथराव की बात करते, मैंने 2 साल लिए हैं साहब। 2010 2654 पथराव की घटनाएं हुई थी 2010 में। 2023 में 0, एक भी पथराववाद नहीं हुआ।
Cornered militarily, Pakistan resorted to narco-terrorism and drone warfare, desperate tactics to destabilize India. But India stood resilient, alert and unyielding. 22nd April 2025, Pahalgam, Jammu and Kashmir. 27 Indians traveling, some for the summer, some for a birthday, some on their honeymoon. ISIS-style executions, Hamas toolkits, bullets to their head.
बंदा पीछे से आया और उसने गोली साइड में रख के उससे पूछा, हिंदू है कि मुसलमान? मुसलमान है तो पहले कलमा पढ़ के दिखा। जैसे हमें पता ही नहीं, हम पीछे पलट के देखे हो क्या रहा है। हम उसकी तरफ स्माइल करके पूछे, भैया क्या हुआ? कह रहे हिंदू है मुसलमान। मैंने कहा हिंदू, मार दिया।
हमने यही बोला कि मेरे मिस्टर के पास बंदूक लगा के बोला कलमा पढ़ो। मेरे मिस्टर ने बोला मैं तो क्रिश्चियन हूँ, मैं ईसाई हूँ, मेरे को कमला कलमा जो भी है वो नहीं पढ़ना आता। और बस इतना बोला मेरे पति ने, उनको ऐसे धक्का दिया और बंदूक मार दी बिल्कुल सीने पे।
Today, from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers.
25 years of terror, 25 years of India's sacrifice, 25 years of an unbreakable spirit. India is now scripting its final solution against Pakistan.